Hi, my name is Yann Labbé, and I will present our work on Cozy Pose, a method for consistent, multi-view, multi-object 6D pose estimation. We address the problem of multi-view, multi-object 6D pose estimation. Given multiple images captured from cameras with unknown viewpoints, the goal is to identify the objects among a set of known 3D models and accurately recover their position and orientation. Our method achieves state-of-the-art results on two challenging benchmarks, the YCP video and TLS datasets. On TLS, CozyPose is able to reconstruct complex 3D scenes which are far beyond the capabilities of previous systems, with a significant relative improvement greater than 100% over previous works. This problem is important because many industrial applications require to accurately manipulate the objects with a robot. It would be great if we could just provide the label of a known 3D model and have the robot grasp it autonomously. This compact and semantic object-level representation of a scene would allow a robot to plan a task and manipulate the objects. The problem can be addressed using a single image and is known as 6D pose estimation. It was originally solved using local or global feature matching strategies. These methods were improved with the use of CNNs. The best performing methods are now learnable and rely on a CNN to iteratively update the pose of the predicted object until it matches the observed image. Single-view, single-object pose estimation works well in many scenarios, but suffers from mistakes that are hard to avoid using a single image. For example, take this image and the 2D detections obtained from a state-of-the-art detector. In the middle, we show the single-view reconstruction of the 3D scene by a state-of-the-art 6D pose estimation method, and the ground truth is on the right. The reconstruction has many errors because of detection mistakes, pose estimation errors, and occlusions, which makes it hard to recover parts of the scene. These mistakes are critical for the deployment of real robotic systems. In practice, it is cheap and simple to add more RGB cameras around the scene. Therefore, we propose to use multiple images to address these single-view issues. Prior works for multi-view 6D pose estimation consider objects independently and assume the camera positions are known. This is unpractical as calibration is time-consuming and must be repeated if cameras are moved. Other works on object-level SLAM don't make this assumption, but strongly rely on depth sensors and assume continuous camera motion. In the RGB domain, the methods rely on local features to recover camera poses and cannot be used for complex scenes where feature registration fail because there aren't enough textures or the baseline between cameras are large. In contrast, our approach recovers full 6D pose of objects and cameras using RGB images without relying on local features. It handles complex textureless and cluttered scenes like in the TLS dataset with many symmetric and similar objects. Our approach relies on three contributions. First, we present a state-of-the-art single-view, single-object 6D pose estimation method. Second, we develop a robust method for matching individual 6D object pose hypotheses across different images in order to jointly estimate camera viewpoints and identify the object of a single consistent scene. Third, we develop an object-level bundle adjustment method to improve the accuracy of 6D pose hypotheses made individually in each view. Cozy Pose is a combination of these three contributions. Given 2D detections, we generate 6D object candidates in each view. These candidates suffer from detection and pose estimation errors, which are inherent to single view. We highlight here an example of incorrect 6D candidate. We then use our multi-view matching strategy to find consistent object-level correspondences and discard inconsistent candidates. Finally, we perform global scene refinement of objects and camera poses given the object-level correspondences established in the second stage. Our 6D pose estimation method takes as input a cropped image obtained from a 2D detection and a coarse estimate of the pose of the object. The input image and rendering of the object in the given input pose are given to a CNN which predicts a pose update. Our method is inspired from DeepIM, to which we bring several technical improvements related to the base network, the rotation parametrization, the loss, and the data augmentation of the training images. Our implementation in PyTorch achieves significant improvements over state-of-the-art, and we make the code available. We also use the same method to perform coarse pose estimation. This is done by simply providing as input to the network a canonical pose, which is the same at training and test time. We now describe our multi-view matching strategy. We start by considering one pair of views, view 1 and view 2. The candidates for each view are shown on the left, and we now describe one Randstad iteration. We start by sampling two pairs of candidates with consistent labels in each view. For example, we sample an orange object and a purple object in the first view. We then sample the same types of objects in the other view. We show on the right the prediction made in each view in 3D. The relative camera positions are a priori unknown, and the object cannot be expressed in the same coordinate frame. We estimate the relative camera pose by making the hypothesis that the candidates correspond to the same physical object and by aligning the point clouds of the candidate. Once the relative camera pose is known, we express all the candidates in the same coordinate frame and measure the distance between the predicted objects in 3D. Here, for example, the pink candidates from each view are not consistent and are therefore discarded. The other ones overlap and are consistent. We then sample other pairs of objects and use Randstad to find the relative pose hypothesis with a maximum number of consistent object candidates. This method allows to find consistent candidates between a pair of views. The correspondences that are established are here represented by edges between the candidates. We then consider the other views, extract the candidates, and perform robust matching with all pairs of views. This defines the graph, and we identify the objects in the scene by identifying the connected components of the graph. At this stage, the objects in the scene have been identified and correspondences between candidates are established. However, for each physical object, there are still multiple hypotheses from different views. The goal of our global scene refinement method is to find the unique scene which best explains the remaining candidates from each view. This is done by solving an object-level bundle adjustment problem where object and camera poses are jointly optimized. We evaluate our single-view and multi-view approach on the YCB video and TLS datasets. Our method achieves state-of-the-art results for single-view and multi-view 6D pose estimation on both datasets. Our improvements are the most significant on the more complex TLS dataset. On TLS, our single-view approach significantly improves the state-of-the-art by a factor greater than 2. Notably, we show that data augmentation is critical to good performance on this dataset. Our multi-view framework further improves these results, especially in terms of 6D detection accuracy. Using 8 views instead of 1 provides a significant boost of 14 points for the 6D mean average precision metric. Here are some examples of reconstructions on the YCB video and TLS datasets. Notice on TLS that our method is able to deal with cluttered scenes where multiple objects are similar and symmetric, and reconstruct the full 3D scene, even if it is largely occluded in some views. We have presented COSY-POSE, a method which combines learnable 6D pose estimation with robust object-level multi-view matching and global refinement. COSY-POSE explicitly handles object symmetries, does not require depth measurements, and is robust to missing, incorrect, or false positive candidates. It successfully leverages information from multiple views and automatically recovers the camera poses and the number of objects in the scene. We make all of our code open source and available online. Our multi-view approach is agnostic to the 6D pose estimation method and can therefore be combined with a variety of existing approaches on other datasets.